So talk about a pain in the behind. It's 6 a.m. in New York here. All the way up there is a smoke detector that's been chirping since 1 in the morning. I don't know what you do if you're 75 years old and can't climb up on a ladder. But in the garage, we have a pretty tall ladder. So I just had to move the car. There it is. It's loud. You can't appreciate it. So I'm gonna bring the freaking ladder in. Bring it upstairs. Take these flip-flops off and hold. And it's hardwired in yet. Or how awkward this is. Here. It is unwieldy, that's for sure. I remember doing this before.
I do too.
It's always at night.
Yes.
Always at night. And black, I don't want to touch it because I think it's 110. All right. A holder. I mean, it's possible that this thing is just reached its lifespan.
Nah, not the case. It turned out it just needed another battery. I wound up using a lithium battery because I don't feel like doing that anytime again soon.
Fire-X. There's got to be a battery in here. It's not very intuitive. Oh, here we go. All right, squeeze this in. See if I can pull the all right. So it was just prongs that I squeezed in here, pulled this out, and there is a battery. In this case, it's a, can't see. Oh, in this case, it's just a 9-volt Duracell. So let me get another one. What I like doing is changing this again anytime soon. All right, there's a new battery. I think what I'm going to do all right, here's the wire nut. But I'm going to use these Wago connectors. They look like this. Let's see. too much. Like this. Two. So we got these on. All I have to do is go up there. Here's what it looks like. So all I have to do is go up there and black to black, red to red, black to black, white to white, and be done with it. I'm going to throw these gloves on just because the wires up there are live. Just in case I touch the 120, I won't get electrocuted. You holding it? Okay.
You can't get there until you get up with it.
Okay. Yeah, it's. All right, let's see.
So quick edit, one of the Wago connectors came off, so I was cursing like a drunken sailor.
God, I'm pissed. Oh, look, and the mounting bracket came off the ceiling.
Okay, so you want to come down and do this another time? You need a screwdriver.
Hold on. I just think they just did that. All right, hold on a second. I want to do the 120 first.
But I thought you were going to do it out whenever you dropped.
Just hold on a second. Okay, there's that. I guess it's gonna be one Wago and one wire nut. If they come off that easily, I don't even want to use them. Let's see here. All right. Let's see if this works. You know what? Somebody mounted this wrong. They didn't mount it through the mounting brackets. They just put the screws in. Hold on. There we go. Wow, that was awful, but it's up. Wowie, kazowie. That was really not good. Yeah, there's two holes that the thing's supposed to be mounted into. Yeah, and the green light's on. Green light is on, so it's power, got power. So I'm gonna point it towards that door there.